Welcome class to the study of the subject pronouns, los pronombres sujetos. So today I'll be taking you through the list of the subject pronouns, and I know you're going to understand them with much ease because they're not complicated. So the first subject pronoun is yo. Yo means I, because what we are doing is we are using words that we usually identify ourselves with. Tu means you, but this one is informal. It is informal, not formal. And then you have to show the accent because we have to without an accent meaning something else. We have usted. The word usted also means you, but formal. So remember, tu is informal, usted is formal. Then we have el. Remember to show the accent. Without the accent, this one means something else. So el with an accent is he. We have ella, which is she. Now, these ones are referring to only one person. These ones are referring to only one person. That is yo, tú, usted, él, and ella. So what am I doing? Identify myself. Yo. You identify yourself. Tú, él, ella. If it's you polite, remember to use usted. Now, when you want to form their plural, this is how you do it. So from yo, we go to nosotros. I, we. So nosotros is for men. Ladies cannot say nosotros, but nosotras. That is we. Nosotros for men, nosotras for women. We have tú, its plural is vosotros. Vosotros. Ladies will say vosotras. Vosotras. So we say vosotras, which is you, plural. Then we have ustedes. Ustedes means you, plural, but polite. It is you in the plural, but polite. Polite means that you use it when addressing your seniors, when addressing the strangers. That is your seniors and strangers, which is a polite form. And then we have el. The plural becomes ellos, which is they for men, and ella. The plural becomes ellas, which is they for ladies. So we say yo, tú, or usted, él or ella, which is he or she. Then when we are many, we say nosotros. When we are many, entirely vosotros. And then with polite, we say ustedes. Then for they, we say ellos and ellas. Okay, so the next point I would like us to discuss is what we call ser. And ser means to be, one of the most important verbs that we have in Spanish. From ser, I get soy, which is I am. So soy alone means I am. So one thing with the Spanish verbs that they usually complete without the subject pronouns. So if someone says soy, this is I am. Another person can just decide to say yo soy. That is why yo is in brackets, meaning that we can use them without the subject pronouns. If someone says yo soy, another one says soy, it's just the same. Same case to eres. This is complete to mean you are. You can as well use tu if you want to say tu eres to mean you are. This one is es. Es can mean he or she or it his, or you are, which is polite. But you can as well try to be more specific and say, for instance, él, which is he. Él es to mean he is. Ella is she, you say she is. And then usted es, in this case, will mean you are but polite. You are but polite. So remember, it his can also be he or she in Spanish. No, the first three are in the singular form. We are referring to one person. So how do I form the plural? Now the plural of soy, which is I am, is somos, which is we are. Right? So I can show my plural like this. So I can still use what? The subject pronoun if I want. I can say nosotros somos for men, nosotras somos for ladies. Alright? Then this is sois, which is the plural of eres. So someone can say sois. Another person can just decide to say vosotros sois for men, vosotras sois. But using sois alone, there is no problem. It's still complete, which is you are, but for many people, that is you in a group or more than one. Then we have son, which is the plural of es. Son is they are. You can as well use son to mean you are, referring to many people, but this is polite. Now, if I want to be more specific, I'm going to say what? Ellos son for men. Ellas son for ladies, to mean they are. If I use ustedes, it cannot be they are. Ellos son will mean you are, since we say that. Look at this. Ustedes is you are, which is polite. So it means that ustedes son cannot be they are, but you are because of this. Now, this verb is very important. Very, very important in Spanish. And then you have to learn its uses. So the first use of the verb is just to show identity. What is identity? Just showing names. For example, you can say soy Carlos. I am Carlos. Soy Carlos. You can use the same to show origin. Like you can say mi amigo es de Kenya. Mi amigo es de Kenya. My friend is Kenya. So there means from. Kenya is Kenya. So in this case, we have what? Origin. Profesión. You can say él es médico. So in some countries they say doctor, to mean he is a doctor. He is a doctor. That is profession. Then you can use to say size, show size using the same. You can say mi casa es grande. Mi casa es grande. Mi casa es pequeña. So grande means big and pequeña is small. You can say mi casa es grande to mean my house is big. Mi casa es pequeña to mean my house is small. That is what you call size. Then character personality is easy to use. You can say ella es generosa. Ella es generosa. She's generous. When talking about time, this is how we do it. Like when it's one, we say es la una. It's one. Es la una from es, which is it is. So it's one. When it's two, we say son las dos. Son las dos. So the study of ser is very important. Remember, we still have another verb that means the same as this, which is estar, which we shall be seeing in the next lesson. So make sure that you understand the uses, because with the uses, you're going to understand the difference between the two verbs. So with that, I want to wish you all the best and make sure that you understand them and practice them every day with your friends. That marks the end of our lesson today.